Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Trading Tutor channel. If you'd like to create a free Demat account with AliceBlue, click the link in the description and fill out your details. You'll also get intraday recommendation calls and you can learn robo trading software for free. In this video, we'll be seeing how you can make Payin into your account for trading in AliceBlue using your mobile phone. So, first thing to do is go to your bot app in mobile phone. That is the bot app by AliceBlue. So this is your back office transaction app. So once you're here, this is the first screen you'll be looking at, and you can enter in your login ID and password which will be given to you through your email. So once you can enter that and sign in, and this is the next page you will come in. This is the first screen. So you can look at all your details that are in your account. The basic details of how much money you have in each segment, your branch details, your beneficiaries, your margin excess, collateral, and all of that. Next, go into the menu section in the top left corner, and here in this you can scroll down and select the online payment option here. And once you're here, in there you have two options of Atom payment or UPI. So Atom payment is net banking's transaction and UPI is through your phone. So first let's look at Atom payment. So once you click here, it will show you the payment request page. And here you can select the segment and add in the amount. So as you can see in this page, you can select the segment that you prefer. So in this we have selected the MCX segment, and here you can add in your amount as is shown. So type in your amount and select the payment button. Once you hit the payment button, it will lead you to the net banking page. As you can see, if you whichever bank account you have created, it will lead you to that net banking page where you can log in with your ID and password and make a regular net banking payment into your account. Once you're done with that, you can go back to your page and you can check to see if the transaction has happened. And once it's done here, the transaction history will be shown here. Here is the last 10 transaction history. So here in this bottom of the screen, you can see all your transactions. Next, let's look at your UPI option. So select the online payment option again and click the UPI. So here you can again select the segments. As previously we have seen, select the segment and enter in your amount and click the payment option. So type in your amount and select payment for that specific segment, whichever is your preference. Once you hit the payment button, it will send a payment request into your UPI app. So whichever UPI app you're using for payment, you can log in and give permission by entering in your UPI password or code. Once that transaction is successfully completed, it will be shown here again in the transaction history. One thing to note is you have to add the UPI ID linked to the registered bank account. If you update any third-party UPI ID, the payment will fail and it won't be posted to your ledger. So if you add in the money through any other UPI account or UPI ID, it will be rejected and won't be added to your ledger. So here in this UPI update UPI ID option, you should make sure that the UPI ID you add in is the one that is linked to your registered bank account. And please note that there are maximum limits to your payment. So ensure that and check before you make your payment. So this is for the MCX demo, and you can check your transaction history down below. Next, let's look at how you can make payment through your Ant web software, Ant Mobi, in your phone. So here is the Ant Mobi platform. Once you log into your Ant Mobi platform in your phone, This will be your first screen. And once you're here, you can go into this option here. This is your portfolios option. So in this portfolio, go to the cash segment and here select the Payin option. So this will again lead you to the back office software through your browser, your phone browser. And again, this is like your back office app in your phone. You have to log in here with your ID and password and you can make your payment. It is very similar to your back office app. As you can see, this will be your first page and you can go to the menu option here and scroll down to the online payment. Here's the atom payment and here you can make your payment as usual. Then there's the UPI, which is also similarly we have spoken of. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel. If you'd like to create a free Demat account with AliceBlue, click the link in the description and fill out your details.